Millions, if not at least a couple of dozen people, unknowingly suffer a disorder I like to call decaf vessel chaos, or perhaps coffee pod control. Are you one of them? Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. Traveling and enjoying your motorhome or camper involves making the most of space and convenience, and if you enjoy a cup of hot C, Joe, Go Juice, Mud, Slappy McCafferson, whatever you happen to call it, a good cup of coffee, then you're going to want to hang with me. My wife and I own a 34-foot Fleetwood Bounder wide body. There's no slides, but there's plenty of room for us. But that doesn't mean that we're not always looking for ways to utilize space or maybe even skin a mule. And anytime you can organize an area better, well, that's a win. During this project, we made two discoveries. One was a product, and the other was a hidden compartment we were unaware of. Well, actually, there were three things discovered. I discovered a tater tot under the front passenger seat up there that had hair growing on it, and I'm fairly certain that it was looking at me. It was really kind of disturbing. Anyway, on with the project. My wife, the chief, she found this product online and expeditiously ordered the snot out of it. Now, it may help if I explain the phrase, the snot out of it. It means to do something dramatically or significantly. Are you with me? Okay, here's the product she ordered. This is the coffee pod pad. A little thingamajigger here that allows you to easily store and organize coffee pods or K-cups, which I understand are not interchangeable as far as the brewing device goes, but for this storage option, they'll all fit. Designed after hundreds of years of research by the world's leading technologists and fabricated using a nuclear laser at the Particle Accelerator Complex and Discount House of Worship in downtown Newton, Alabama. I can't back that up. The coffee pod pad was created specifically to free up counter space, cabinet, or drawer space in your motorhome, your camper, or even your sticks and bricks kitchen. The coffee pod pad can be mounted inside cabinet doors, under cabinets, to the side of refrigerators, almost any surface. It comes in a handy 3-pack and is made of durable, closed-cell, cross-linked foam with an adhesive backing, and I probably could have just said sticky-backed foam. Anyway, it holds 27 coffee pods or K-cups, or any mathematical compounding of the two, and as an added bonus, the coffee pod pad is made in the good old US of A. God bless America. Why don't you click on that subscribe button? In determining the best location in our RV kitchen, we looked at several options. Under the cabinet, to the side of the microwave, or on the bulkhead by the refrigerator. Then we discovered this. Heck, I thought it was a vent cover or even a filter housing, being that it was part of the exhaust hood for the stove. But it's actually a small storage area, the perfect location to find another tater tot with hair on it, and I can't go through that again. Anyway, it's the perfect place for the coffee pod pad and other coffee condiments like sweeteners, creamers, stir sticks, soy sauce, dillweed, etc., all that stuff you put in your coffee. Mounting it was simple. Clean the area with denatured alcohol, also called methylated spirit. Denatured alcohol, by the way, is ethanol that has additives to make it poisonous, bad-tasting, foul-smelling, and nauseated to discourage recreational consumption. Did you know that? Just thought you should know that. Anyway, peel the backing, press into place, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now you can load up the coffee pod pads and free up some valuable storage real estate elsewhere. You know, legend attributes the discovery of coffee to a Sheikh Omar, who was known for his abilities to cure the sick through prayer. And during the age of sail, seamen aboard naval vessels made substitute coffee by dissolving burnt toast in hot water. You know, it kind of makes denatured alcohol sound pretty palatable. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, if not entertaining. I encourage you to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel, and make certain to click on that bell to be notified when new content is available. Check the comments below for more useful info, including a link to our Amazon affiliate account where you can order the snot out of your very own coffee pod pads. And until I see you again, fair winds and following seas.